Central High School student dies in hospital after collapsing at school. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A male student of the Central High School in Clarendon reportedly collapsed at the institution on Friday and later died at hospital, plunging the school into mourning. The deceased is Daylan Finley, a grade 9 student of the school. Preliminary reports are that Daylan was attending an event at the school, during which he collapsed. He was assisted to hospital where he died. A post from Central High School on its TikTok page confirmed Daylan's passing, but did not provide any further details on the circumstances surrounding his death. Today we pause to express our condolences to the family of our student, Daylan Finley, who passed away yesterday afternoon, the school wrote. May we find the courage to remember the good times, but most importantly be there for each other as a family. Rest well, Daylan, walk good, the post added. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.